Greetings to everyone. Hope everyone is in pink of their health. This side Suyash Tripathi. I'm a second year student pursuing BLLB honors from MIT Law School, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and currently I'm working as a legal intern with LEXIS and Company. So today we are going to discuss on the topic contingent contracts. So what is in our day-to-day life we come across the words we come to know the words such as contract, agreement, proposal, promises, considerations, etc. So what is a contract? So a contract, according to section 2H of Indian Contract Act 1872, an agreement enforceable by law is known as contract. So what does the term enforceable by law mean? So enforceable by law means that if you form a contract with the other person, and if the other person breaches any of the consideration or any of the promises laid down in the contract, you can sue him in the court. So it will be enforceable by law. So an agreement enforceable by law forms a contract. Now what is an agreement? So according to section 2E of Indian Contract Act 1872, every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each other forms an agreement. Now what is a promise? So a proposal when accepted forms a promise as given in the section 2 of Indian Contract Act 1872. So it can be substantiated that an accepted proposal forms a promise, and every promise and every set of promises forming consideration of each other forms a agreement. And an agreement enforceable by court or enforceable by law forms an contract. So and the fact to be noted that every agreement is not a contract, but every contract is an agreement. So now what is contingent contract? So a contingent contract is a contract a contract to do or not to do something, a contract to do or not to do something which is based on a happening or non-happening of an event which is collateral to such contract. For example, if A and B forms a contract that if B's house sets on fire, then A will give B 10,000 rupees. So here the contract here the A has made the promise to give B 10,000 rupees only when an event that B's house sets on fire happens. So and that event is also collateral to or that promise is or the contract to give 10,000 rupees is collateral to the event of B's house setting on fire. So it will be a contingent contract. So now what are the essentials of the contingent contract? So essentials of contingent contract are that there should be a contract to do or not to do something. Second one, the contract must be based on happening or non-happening of some event. And third one is that the event on which the such contract is based must be collateral to such contract. Now the enforcement of contingent contracts. So the contingent contracts are enforced only after the happening or non-happening of such event, of some event. If the event has not happened, so then contract cannot be enforced by law or by any court. Okay, so it is given in section 30 it is given in section 30 that the event must be collateral to such contract, and the contract comes into existence, but contract comes into existence before the happening or non-happening of some event collateral to contract, but it can't be enforced until such event happens or does not happen. The contingent contract is further defined in section 31 and section 32 of Indian Contract Act 1872. So here here it is now very clear what is contract, what is agreement, what is proposal, what is promise, and what contracts forms a contingent contract, and what are the essentials of the contingent contract, what is the how these contracts are enforced. So we have discussed all these points. So if you have any queries relating to these points, you can do comment in the comment box, or and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the further updates and click on the subscription button. Thank you.